Hey there, welcome to my review of the Skooolify product launch. In this video, we are going to dive deep into how this strategy works and the different ways you can make money with the newly released Skooolify strategy. And we'll also cover how it ties into the official Skool affiliate program, and we'll weigh the pros and cons of this approach. And guys, just to let you know, my name is Mahesh from Collabik and I earn a full-time income online through digital affiliate marketing. And guys, if you want to discover my #1 system for generating a realistic income online right now, then click the link below in the video description. It's a complete done for you system and a really excellent way to get going with traffic generation and earning consistent commissions. And also, if you stick to this video till the end, then I'm about to give you a bonus worth $2,400 for absolutely free. Now, let's talk about Skooolify. Basically, it's a system that provides various monetization methods from the Skool platform via the Skool affiliate program, which pays you 40% recurring commissions on the $99 per month membership fee. And the best part, you can sign up for Skool for free and start making money with the strategies they show you, even without being a paid member. And here is how it works. You can set up your own Skool account, which is basically a community similar to a Facebook group, but outside the Facebook platform. This gives you much more control over your audience. Imagine you're passionate about a niche like internet marketing or coaching programs. You can create a group around this niche, position yourself as the authority, and monetize it with your own coaching programs, affiliate links, and recommendations. For example, if you are an expert in digital marketing, you could create a group offering exclusive tips and strategies, okay? And members might pay for premium content or services, generating revenue for you. Alternately, you can become a free Skool member and promote the Skool affiliate program by promoting the vendor group of James and Max. You promote their group with your Skoolify affiliate link and get people to subscribe to their group for free. When someone you referred upgrades to a paid membership in the future, you will earn the commission. Suppose think of it like this, you share your affiliate link on social media and someone joins the group. Months later, they decide to upgrade and you get credited for that upgrade, earning you passive income. And inside the members area, you'll find step-by-step training on getting traffic to your Skool affiliate link. This includes using ChatGPT and other AI tools, access to viral video clips, and a comprehensive AI content marketing game plan. It's all about generating free organic traffic to your affiliate link, getting people to sign up for the Skool group, and then earning commissions when they upgrade. Let's say you are creating content using AI tools. You produce engaging videos or posts that attract viewers to your Skool group, driving organic traffic and potential upgrades. Okay. Now, one of the cool thing about Skool is that it ranks really well on Google. Some people even optimize the Skool group for specific product names and do product reviews within these groups. This might not be the intended use, but it shows the platform's versatility and potential for ranking in search engines. For example, you could create a group focused on reviewing the latest digital marketing tools, attracting an audience interested in those products, and offering you affiliate links as part of the community. There are a lot of creative ways to monetize Skool. For example, if you're promoting an affiliate program, you can offer bonuses to your free Skool community. Join for free, and if someone buys through your affiliate link, they get a bonus. It's a great way to connect with your subscribers and offer added value. For example, if you're promoting a course on affiliate marketing, you might offer exclusive one-on-one coaching sessions as a bonus for those who purchase through your affiliate link. And guys, keep in mind, you'll have to wait for people to upgrade to a paid account. So some of the monetization can be somewhat passive, but if you have your own Skool account, you can be more proactive, promoting affiliate links and launches to monetize instantly rather than waiting for upgrades. By actively engaging with your community and promoting relevant products, you can drive immediate sales and commissions. Alright guys, hopefully that clears up how this strategy works and what you can expect inside the members area. Before you leave, if you want to discover my main approach for generating a realistic income online, focused on traffic generation and proven affiliate programs, click the link below in the video description. It's my #1 recommended system for generating traffic and earning consistent commissions. And also, if in case you would like to try out Skool, then I request you to please visit the third link in the description down below. And as promised, there is a special bonus for you. I'm going to offer you a $2,488 bonus for absolutely free to the first 500 members who join my VIP inner circle. Okay, in this community, you'll get access to my affiliate marketing course, valuable resources, and the opportunity to network with the like-minded individuals. So if in case you would like to access this bonus for absolutely free, I request you to please visit the second link from the description, get registered to my community, and you get access to my free affiliate marketing masterclass right away. And also in future, you'll be getting all these bonuses for absolutely free. And thanks a lot for checking out my Skooolify review. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more reviews and tips on digital marketing, affiliate marketing, make money online strategies, and many more. And also don't forget to hit that like button for this video. See you next time, guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.